All right, 2.4. Every hero needs armor, and in the cloud, AWS gives you an entire arsenal. Security groups and network access control lists defend the perimeter, controlling who can enter and what they can access. AWS WAF filters incoming traffic, blocking bad actors before they can reach your systems. AWS Shield stands ready to guard against large-scale DDoS attacks, protecting your uptime when chaos strikes. And then there's Trusted Advisor and Security Hub, your intelligence network constantly scanning for weaknesses, misconfigurations, and performance gaps. Together, these tools create your fortress in the sky, always guarded, always prepared. Remember, in Dark Knight Rises, Batman didn't wait for trouble, he prepared for it. That's the mindset of a true cloud guardian. You anticipate threats, reinforce your defenses, and use every tool available before danger ever arrives. The AWS Security Center and Security Blog keep you informed, while the AWS Marketplace gives you allies, third-party tools that strengthen your perimeter. In the cloud, heroes don't react, they predict. You are the silent protector, the watchful guardian of your AWS environment. Okay, and believe it or not, as quickly as that went, you've completed Domain 2, Security and Compliance, where we learned that being secure isn't about fear, it's about discipline and partnership. Like Batman and Gordon, you and AWS share the responsibility to protect the city you build. Keep your keys safe, your watchmen alert, and your guard system strong. If this helped, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in Domain 3, Cloud Technology and Services, where we'll go from protecting the dream to bringing it to power. See you then.